In order to be able to add native plugins to an app, it is of course important to know how to find them first. Here I am on the Ionic native website, and you can see in the left-hand nav that I can scroll down on a huge list of curated Ionic native plugins. I'm going to click the one near the end here called Vibration because I know that's the first one that we're going to be implementing. For this module, I'm going to set aside the Elite Schedule app that we've been building, and I'm going to use a new demo app just for the purpose of showing Ionic native plugins. What you see here is just a basic shell, which resulted from running the Ionic start command with the side menu template. This is exactly what you saw me do in the beginning of the course, so nothing new here. I basically just got a side menu with a generic home page and an empty page for our vibration demo here. Nothing else has been added. Here's just a quick look at our basic shell. We have the generic home page here. I've got side menu navigation. I have this one additional page called vibration. And if I click it, you can see this is just an empty vibration page so far. Now it's time to actually add a plugin to our app. For every Ionic native plugin that you use, you should go to the documentation page for that plugin, and you can see right at the very top the Ionic plugin add command that you need to use. So in this case, we have Ionic plugin add cordova-plugin-vibration. Let's add that to our app now. Back in the Ionic CLI, we're going to run this command, Ionic plugin add cordova plugin vibration. Now this has just added the vibration plugin to our app. Let's have a look. We have a plugins folder right here. I'm going to expand that. We had a few plugins that were added by the new project template by default. Here's the vibration plugin that we just added. And we can see in the www folder, we have this vibration.js. And this has a couple of methods defined in here, vibrate pattern. And this is the generic Cordova wrapper that's wrapping around the native APIs. We can actually drill down into the plugins to see the native code for each respective platform. For example, here's the Android. Here's vibration.java. We can see the Java code that runs on Android. Here's iOS. We can see some Objective-C code that runs. Here's Windows. We can see some C# code that runs. So you can actually see the native code that's going to run on the respective platform. Taking a step back, it's valuable to know how a typical native plugin is structured, but the Ionic plugin add command was all we actually needed to add the vibration plugin to our app. Now that it's been added, we'll see how we can implement and use it in the next demo.